Yung cleaning.
Fluoride yung ano, yung papahiran. She had that actually
Was it yung
1 month.
painting?
Hmm,
They call
yung
it
painting.
painting.
Meron na siya.
Fluoride painting. Yung kulay, ano ba yun? Yellow? Blue. Yellow ba yun? Blue.
Yung sumakit yung pinakamalalim niyang cavity.
Pero hindi pinakpan.
Yung cavity.
That's just recent eh. Sabi parang
Baka daw.
mahirap daw tanggalin o...
At least we're introducing her to them. Sorry about it. Okay. So, dapat, the next time she comes back, papasta niya yung pa-fill niya na kasi lalaki yun. And are you fond of eating candies and chocolate?
Do you still eat candies and chocolate?
You do. Who gives you, mommy or daddy?
Who gives you candies?
Just remember, it's okay to eat candies and chocolates just as long as you what? After. You have to brush your teeth after, okay? So we're just gonna brush your teeth. Hold this one.
So pwede na siyang ano, pwede nang papasta. Yung even the one that's big, kaya pa. She won't become ano, parang like traumatized or something. Okay.
We kind of introduce it with a very hindi natin, wala tayong like show and tell lang tayo. Hindi natin sasabihin na it's ouchy, it's hindi natin sasabihin since bata sila ang nila, yung span of attention nila. It's very, very short. So, mabilis lang talaga yung ginagawa. Better sana morning niya dadalhin.